loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, I am participating in a challenge video. It is a DIY challenge video that is focusing on Valentine's Day right now, that is being hosted by the very lovely Heidi over at Heidi Sonboul's channel, Happily Thriving Heidi. Now I will link her channel down below in the description along with the playlist that she's going to put together of all the participants in this challenge. So for my entrance into this challenge, I am going to be doing a couple of different DIYs that can be Valentine's theme, will be a little bit neutral, and will be completely simple in case you are struggling with some things that you might want to leave up after Valentine's Day because it's such a short holiday, and you can probably display anywhere in your house no matter what your decorating style is. So for the first one, we are utilizing this picture frame that came from Walmart. I do believe these frames are about $5. I could be wrong, it could be up to $7. I was actually given this frame by someone who found it at their house and they no longer wanted it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up and take out everything that's inside. That is the extra backing that's in here to hold the picture in place, the actual picture that they have in there, and the glass. Then after you remove all of that, we're going to get our hot glue gun, and I picked up several bunches of roses in a neutral color. They are like a really pale beigey peach, and we are going to take them all off of the stem and then simply glue them into the picture frame in rows to create this really pretty piece of decor. Roses are always perfect for Valentine's Day, and you don't necessarily have to use red ones. You can use whichever ones that you enjoy, and I am enjoying neutral colors for a while. So let's get on with gluing these down and you can see the final look. For our next DIY, we are going to be utilizing one of these Dollar Tree little house decor pieces. They had these last year and I have this one left over. However, I've seen two different people say that they just found them in their Dollar Tree, so it looks like they're putting them back out. Even if you can't find it for this DIY, you may be able to find it later on and still make this, because this piece can be used any time of the year, but also for Valentine's Day. So what I'm going to do is take this leftover piece here from the picture frame and I'm going to cut out a template, and then once I cut out that template, I'm going to use that to trace around this. I have seen lots of decor pieces that have this saying on them, and this is actually a dupe for a piece that is at Big Lots right now. I will insert a picture of it here. So let's get on to cutting this out, and then we will cut it out on this template and glue it into this frame, and then this DIY will be done. Okay, for our last project, we're going to be utilizing this bamboo cutting board from Dollar Tree. We're going to take it and paint it with some of my Waverly chalk paint in white. It is matte. Next, I have these wooden hearts. They came from Amazon. However, Dollar Tree does have wooden hearts out right now. I have a pack of these. You need more than one pack if you're going to do what I'm going to try to do on this plaque, but these from Amazon, I got like 50 of them for $5.99, so you can find them very cheap. I've laid out a pattern here with my first 5, and I'm going to glue those down approximately like this. Now they don't fit together tightly, they kind of make a star in the middle, but that's okay because we are going to be layering some of them here. So I'm going to take and glue down with my hot glue gun the first one and then work from there and kind of try to put this in the middle, and then I'm going to work around it with the other ones. Here are my final projects, and I love how they turned out, especially the flower that I did out of the hearts. They are all really simple to do, as you could see, and didn't take much time at all. Seriously, the only time that it really took was for me to wait for the paint to dry on the last project. But the other two were very, very simple. I think they're all really sweet. The first one is very romantic. I am going to be placing it in my bedroom next to my perfume bottles and a little vanity tray that I have. The middle one will be perfect for a tiered tray, or else could sit in a front entry to welcome people into your home like I have here at my front door. And the last one I just think is great for any time of the year. I think with the neutral colors, it fits in with any kind of decor, and I will have it out probably all the way through spring, maybe even in summer, because it is just so lovely, in my opinion anyway. With the hearts, it's kind of Valentine's-y, but it doesn't have to be. And as you can see, nothing says Happy Valentine's Day, so I can keep this decor out for as long as I like. So I want to thank Heidi so much for this challenge. I actually just found out about it today on post day, and I sent her a message hoping that she would allow me to join this challenge. So I want to thank her so much for including me. I will link her channel down below along with the playlist in the description box once it is available. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. We make a lot of cool things here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.